So where are you from?
I am from Hobbiganj, Sylhet, which is the most beautiful district in Bangladesh.
Could you please tell me why Hobbiganj is famous for?
Hobbiganj is famous for there are many tea gardens, hills.
So how many members do you have in your family?
I have 6 family members: my mother, my elder sister, my elder brother, and my younger brother, and me.
What does your father do?
My father is no more. He's died 20 years ago. At that time, I was only 5 years old.
What does your mother do?
My mother is a homemaker. She takes care of our family. She is very kind and caring person.
Who is your favorite person in your family?
My favorite person in my family, my mother.
Has she influenced your life?
My mother influenced me a lot. She taught us how to be honest and helpful.
What do you do?
I'm a student of Chunargarh Government College. I study BA third year. Right now, I'm a student of Rahat's English Care.
Why did you come to Rahat's English Care?
I came Rahat English Care because I don't speak English fluency. So I came here Rahat English Care. I want to learn English and build my career.
Why English is important?
English is very important because in this English is international language. It used almost to every country. So that's why I learn English for build my career.
So what's your future plan?
My future plan to go abroad. I will earn a lot of money and I will support my family to do something for the country.
Do you have any country where you would like to go in the future?
My favorite country Romania because my uncle live in Romania. He job there.
What's your favorite food?
My favorite food is biryani. It tastes delicious and it smells nice. I eat it once a week.
Who cooks biryani for you?
My mother cooks biryani.
Why do you love traveling?
I like traveling because traveling helps me gain knowledge and experience. It removes my tiredness and stress.
Where did you travel last time?
Last time I traveled Lal Bagh Fort, which is the most beautiful place and historical architecture.
With whom did you travel there?
I visited my best friend Ashikuzzaman Ashik.
How many friends do you have?
I have no many friends. I have two friends.
Do you spend your time with your friends?
Yes, I spend time with my friend. When I get free time, that time I go outside and I take cup of tea with my friend.
Do you love taking tea?
Yes, I love taking tea.
Where do you take tea?
I take tea outside with my friend.
With your friends.
Yes, sir.
So do you love playing cricket?
No, sir, I don't like playing cricket.
What's your favorite game?
My favorite game is football.
Okay. How often do you play football?
When I get a free time, that time I will play football with my friends.
Could you please tell me about football? Who is your favorite player?
My favorite player is Messi. His playing style is inspire me.
If you get any chance to meet Messi, would you like to meet Messi?
Yes, I would like to meet Messi. If I get a chance, first of all, I take photos.
Thank you so much, Oadil Islam. This is the end of your swing test. Now you may go.
Thank you, sir.